While the US market is flooded with giant thirsty SUVs, Europe just got a masterclass in efficiency. This is the 2026 Renault Symbioz. It's a hybrid crossover that gets over 60 miles per gallon, fits 5 people in total comfort, and has a trunk that puts some full-size SUVs to shame. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're looking at the forbidden fruit of 2026. The French hybrid that proves you don't need a massive V8 to be a great family hauler. Under the hood, the 2026 Symbioz gets a serious upgrade. The new E-Tech 160 system uses a larger 1.8-liter engine and a beefier battery. In the city, Renault claims this thing can drive on electric power up to 80% of the time. We're talking about a 40% reduction in fuel consumption compared to a standard gas engine. It's not about winning drag races. It's about going 620 miles on a single tank while the rest of the world is stuck at the gas station. Where? The Symbioz really shines is its symbiotic design, hence the name. It features a sliding rear bench that moves 6 inches. Slide it forward, and you get a massive 22 cubic feet of cargo space. It's also got the Solarbay opacifying glass roof view. Can tint it or clear it with a voice command. No sunshade required. For a compact SUV, it feels like a TARDIS inside. It's clever, modular, and built for people who actually use their cars for more than just commuting. The tech isn't just flashy, it's functional. The Opener Link system has Google built in, which means Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Play Store are native to the car. No more fumbling with buggy phone mirroring. Combine that with 29 different driver assist systems, and you have one of the safest, most connected small SUVs on the road. It's a smart car in the truest sense. The 2026 Renault Symbioz is the perfect example of what a modern hybrid should be. Efficient, spacious, and tech-heavy. Should Renault finally bring this to the States? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. See you in the next one.